Welcome back to another video of UK Knowledge Group. In this video, I will guide you how to add tax to your account to get access to online to a tax duty or scheme. Without that, it is not possible that you can do the online accounts. So for that, we will go on our business tax account first. And on this page, you will be able to see add a tax to your account to get online access to a tax duty or scheme. On that, if you click on it, it will take you to the page what tax do you want to add to your account. So you have the options employers or intermediaries. For example, Payee for employers or CIS. Second one is self-assessment for individual sole trader partners. Third one, VAT or other taxes or scheme. So we wanted to add in our online account employers or intermediaries for payee. So for example, we want to add to that so we can pay to our employees. We click on that, click continue. After that, it will take you to the page which employer tax or scheme do you want to need. Construction industry scheme, employment intermediaries, employment related securities, payee for employers. So we'll click on payee for employers. Continue. Do you have an employer payee reference number? Yes, we have that. Continue. Now it says request access to payee for employers. You have the option employers payee reference number, accounts office reference or HMRC office number. So I'll put the details in and I'll request access. As soon as I'll click that, it will take me to the page you have requested access to payee for employers. You will receive an activation code in the post within 7 days. You need to use this activation code to get access to your tax or scheme. So this is how it gets done. You click continue on it and it will take you back to that page where you landed before. So if you see this, once you will request for that, second time you will get the code, and third time you will put that code online. So that's how you do it. On this page, you have the other options, payee for employers. So payee employee reference number. So we will click on this side. Activate your payee for employers. So we have requested the code now. Now we will wait, and once we get the code, we will put over here activate your payee for employers. Without this, you cannot access online account. So your accountant will also need this. So 7 to 10 days to get the payee reference number. And then after that, 7 days, you have to wait for this. It also says if you do not activate your tax before 9th of December 2024, you will have to apply again. So the code is limited. After you have activated your payee for employers, it can take up to 72 hours to show your details. Next option, you have employment related securities on this page, and you have all this option. So this is how you do the activate your payee employers number.